Oh shoot. What's up guys? Today I will be testing out this new guitar.
Come
Zero gravity.
come to stash if you want me to read
Dude,
your
that's
future.
me. See that down there? That's me.
The reason
can't
I'm
say
always in
anything, it's
public
just
lobbies
blue.
is so that way you guys don't just hear me yapping.
I'm new.
Ain't no way.
Can I have that?
This pretty
Everybody
cool.
help.
They also added
You guys
they
think
also added this.
Let me hear your points.
Yo, guys, my friend who wants a picture of me skydiving? Who wants a picture of me
So I'm
skydiving?
gonna test this item.
Wait, is this
You have to exactly have $100.
Do you want a picture of me skydiving?
This is for you.
Okay, straight. Straight.
I want it.
Where?
No one is anyone want this.
Thank you.
Movie! Want this? Wants to be in a zombie apocalypse movie! You want this?
I do.
Okay, add me.
That's
come
me.
come to couch. Everybody, come to couch.
Yeah.
Come to couch.
Now we're gonna test these.
By stage, if you want to be in a movie, come to couch.
Also,
by
guys,
stage, if
I'm
you
not
want to be
gonna
in a
show you
movie.
guys the arena update because I mean the video is gonna be
Okay,
too
go to
long and
couch
stuff.
if you do want to be in a movie.
I thought they were like
Okay, go
Animal
to
Company.
couch.
If you're watching this, which you're probably not,
No, don't.
the only
Okay, add me
YouTuber,
now, add me
the
now.
only Animal Company YouTuber Animal Company probably watches in like their free time or something is Just Toasty. Yo, these are
What?
powerful.
Am I lagging? Yes, I broke it.
But Animal Company, if you do somehow, some way,
No.
just
I'm
see
adding.
this.
I'm adding everybody.
When are you guys gonna bring the new?
Yes, I did.
There's another update that was supposed to happen where they like destroy the map. Like I can't explain it, but like I
have a
saw it in
picture
the
of a
Discord,
baby.
and they like destroy the map.
I'm gonna go get my revolver. Got it. Get your revolver, and then please drop down my.
Bro, that is so stupid.
Get out of here.
No, I'm joking.
Oh, pass down my ground.
But guys, in the new update they're about to have,
My
yo,
frames at 65, 64. Bad.
Okay, I added everybody who wants to be in a movie.
Wait, skeleton. Is your lagging?
alright guys, let me answer this. Hi.
Okay, I added everybody if you don't want to be in a movie.
Wait, did they
And
lag
I'm
back?
making a video on the
Yes,
new
they
update.
did. They patched them.
Yeah.
If you do want to be in a movie,
It's not the
added
update that I
everybody.
thought it would be, like where they
Okay.
destroy the map, but they like added a guitar item.
No, it doesn't matter.
Guys, subscribe to Damien.
Oh, people, listen, I added everybody. If you do want to be in a movie, add me back. What's happening?
Joel, that. Yo, research points. Even though I have everything in the tech tree already unlocked, they're just getting research points.
It said the owner's too.
Huh? No.
The badge kids. The badge.
Because I'm in sewers and there's research points.
Yeah.
Also, guys, unless you think I'm crazy, I'm just talking to my friends. I'm making a video, that's why.
About 3 years.
Oh, yo, I'm about to die. Yes. No, let me die.
Great way to-
I guess that's the end of the video, because, like, there's nothing else to show. He didn't really die, but...
We're gonna die because of the kid.
Huh? No, bro, I'm already going back. I'm jumping down. Go to app, because they won't be able to hear you. No, you, they won't be able to hear you. Are you in my lobby? Okay. Here, go to spawn, go to
Do you
spawn.
have anything
I'm
I
a
can
gun
take, sir?
goblin. Whoever pops all my balloons.
Oh, wait, let me mute
whoever
all these
takes
kids.
First, then
Yeah,
gets my loot. This thing's
Join
right
code
at me.
98.
Alright?
Hang on.
You're not in my code.
Then whoever breaks all my
Wait, how do you do different tunes?
Whoever breaks all my
Oh, you're in my
balloons
fan
off
code?
my
Oh, okay. Let me
stick,
join my fan
that's
code
my
then.
loot. It's a random
Yeah,
gun
join my
every
fan code.
time.
Alright, so I got the.
Alright?
Wait, just tell me what you want to say, and then I'll tell my fans what you said. Guys, my friend Damien said hi and to subscribe, so you better subscribe, or else he's gonna be mad.